Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video about gasoline. Maybe you have some gas that's been lying around for a while, or you can't remember what the last can that you used was, and you don't really want to risk it, possibly blowing up a motor, whether it's your lawnmower or your dirt bike or whatever it may be. I just want to do a quick video on how to determine whether or not the gas is good. I know for a fact that I'm not very good at the smell test. Some people say it might smell sour or have a varnishy smell, but unless you know what you're doing and you've been smelling gas for quite a while, which kind of makes your head hurt to begin with, you don't really know what to look for. And so there is an alternative way to do it, and all you have to do is set up a quick experiment. I'll show you what good gas looks like that I just purchased the other day versus bad gas, or my test gas. I don't really want to say bad gas because there is one that is good. And one way to tell is by the color. And so the color of good gasoline is going to be like a pale straw color almost. And so I'd rather just show you. As you can see here, I have my 3 gas cans. This one's labeled G for good gas because I just purchased it the other day. This one is my test gas, which I've already determined is bad, but you won't know that prior to doing this test. And here's my second test gas. The good gas tends to have this pale straw color. If you shake it up, it settles very quickly. There's no particles if you hold it up to the light. And yeah. And so if we move on to the first test gas, you'll notice that right off the bat, it's got a very dark tint to it. It's kind of a reddish color, and if you hold it up to the light, you might see a little bit of particles settled in the bottom. Or if you shake it up, it is very foamy. It's not as quick as the other one to settle. And so moving on to the tester number 2, it's also got a very good color to it. If you hold it up to the light, you have no particles. Shake it up, it settles very quickly. They got a little bit floating around, but that might be due to this cat walking around the place. There might be a little bit of cat hair in there. So yeah, I just wanted to do that quick video to help y'all out, just in case y'all are wondering if there's an alternative to smelling gasoline and getting a headache out of trying to determine if your gas is good or not. It's a lot more reliable. Just go ahead and get a water bottle and dump a little bit of the gas in there, and if it turns out that nice pale straw color, then great. And if it's anything different, I would weigh your options. Going out and buying a gallon or 2 of gasoline is certainly a lot cheaper than rebuilding an entire motor, and I've been there and done that, and it's not fun. It's not cheap. It puts you out of commission for a while, and it's not easy on the wallet. On a side note, you might get a couple intermediate colors, and so it's best to have that comparison, or that, the control that is good. Just go to the gas station, maybe pump a little bit into a bottle just to make sure, or just get another can and go fill it up. You always use gas, whether it's in your car, in your lawnmower, or whatever. I think both of the good gas and that tester number 2 gas were non-ethanol, so that explains why it didn't go bad as quickly. It's been sitting in the garage for quite a while now. I'm not riding as much these days, and it's definitely it's been sitting for quite a while, I can guarantee you that. But with the ethanol gasoline, if that goes to sit, and ethanol attracts moisture, and so that gas will spoil probably within months. So if you know for a fact that you have ethanol gas in your tank and you don't want to go through to the trouble of doing the test or smelling, I'd just call it quits, because chances are that it's bad, especially if it's not sealed. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any other requests, any other videos that you would need, let me know. Feedback's appreciated, and have a good day.